Hi, welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today because today we're going to have just a fantastic time.
Let's see what animals we can find in the woods. Here comes a grumpy little bear. Oh. And look, here comes the fox. What other animals? Wow, here's a squirrel. Squirrels love to eat nuts. Who else will we see? Oh, a baby deer. A lovely little deer. And here is the owl. Woo, woo. Who are you looking at? A lion and a tiger. Lions live on the savannah and tigers live in the jungle. And here's a monkey. Monkeys love to hang in trees. This is the savannah. Do you know what animals lived in the savannah? Here are grasslands. Do you know which animals live in the grasslands? What animals do you think live here? Bye-bye.